If you're anything like us, you like to have a garden and grow your own food. Gardening is both relaxing and enjoyable. That is, until you get a new neighbor. So this video is about cat-proofing your garden. In a perfect world, one would think, since I don't let my dog go over in their lawn and dig holes and crap in it, they would return the favor with their pet. But alas, that's not going to happen. This year we had to replant our garden 3 times because the cat dug it up and then crapped in it. Angry me wanted to take the easy way out. Trap the little beast and take him down to the Humane Society. But instead I decided to take a little bit more expensive route. I picked up 3 livestock panels, and we'll use these to keep the cat out of our garden. First, we need to remove all our garden markers and our vertical climb fence. We then placed a panel on top of each of our raised beds. Using a rotary cutoff tool, I then trimmed the panels to size. If you don't have raised beds, you could put stakes into the ground to hold the panel up off of it. Once the panels are installed and trimmed to size, you can reinstall your vertical climbing fence, your sprinkler system, and put all your markers back where they belong. So, by spending about $70 and burning up about 3 hours of time on a Sunday, we now have a cat-proof garden. A couple final notes on this project. The plants just don't care about the steel being above them. They'll grow right through it. The square openings are big enough for us to reach in and weed. And yes, we do like carrots. Since the ground rarely freezes here, we're eating fresh carrots out of our garden most of the way through the winter, and they get sweeter and sweeter the longer they're in the ground. Well, here's to hoping you don't have to eat out of a litter box like our neighbor's cat wanted us to do. But if you do, I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.